Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account and a clear purpose for this group. Announce, discussion, or queue, and each need different settings. Once done, go to Groups. Google. And click Create Group to start the form. Enter the group name, select a concise email address that users will recognize, and add a short description so members know why it exists. Make sure to pick a basic access level. Now, so initial membership and visibility, match the goal before inviting others. Once the group skeleton exists, configure membership and roles to control who does what. Assign at least one owner and optionally managers. Owners handle billing and settings while managers help moderate. Next, choose join options: public for open communities, private for invite-only, or allow requests to join if you want vetting. Then set posting permissions and decide on moderation. Moderated posts can prevent spam, free posting encourages conversation. Finally, customize the welcome message so new members immediately understand. To finish setup and keep the group healthy, organize conversations with labels and topics, and set an archive retention policy so important threads aren't lost. Make periodic backups of members and posts using export tools, and use role changes to revoke access if someone leaves. If something goes wrong and messages don't deliver, first check the member email address and spam filters, then confirm group posting permissions and moderation queues. If needed, temporarily open posting for troubleshooting, and then restore tighter control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.